How to delete a TikTok account in 2026. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete your account, step by step. First, open the TikTok app on your iPhone. Tap Profile in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the menu button in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Now tap Account. Look for Deactivate or Delete Account and tap on it. Select Delete Account Permanently. TikTok may ask you to choose a reason for deleting your account. Select a reason or tap Skip if available. Review the information about deleting your account, then tap Continue. Follow any additional verification steps TikTok provides. If you're asked to enter a verification code, check your registered email address or phone number and enter the code. Finally, tap Delete Account and confirm the deletion. Keep in mind that TikTok may provide a temporary period during which you can reactivate your account. After that period expires, the account may be permanently deleted. And that's it. You've successfully requested the deletion of your TikTok account. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more TikTok tips and tutorials.